So students, on the last turn, I have already discussed about the two stanzas. Before going further, I would like to have a quick review of the last class. I was discussing the conditions of the slum children, about their physical appearance, comparison between city life and their life, also about the world in which they live in. अब हम आगे के दो स्टैंजास पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. पोएट यहाँ पर शेक्सपियर के बारे में और मैप के एग्जाम्पल्स दे रहे हैं और उनके बारे में कहते हैं, श्योरली शेक्सपियर इज़ विकेड, द मैप अ बैड एग्जाम्पल विथ शिप्स एंड सन and love tempting them to steal, for lives that sly turn into their crammed holes, from fog to endless night. On their slag heap, these children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel with bended glass, like bottle bits on stones. All their time and space are foggy slum, and they blot their maps with slum as big as doom. In this stanza, the poet says that example of Shakespeare is useless and a map too is not the correct example for them, because they are unable to make any differentiation with such kind of examples. Secondly, the world in which they are living is full of darkness. Their life is just like a hole where the brightness of the sun cannot reach at any cost. Their life starts from fog till darkness. इन बच्चों की ज़िंदगी उस बिल के समान है जहाँ रोशनी नहीं पहुँच सकती. इनकी ज़िंदगी में अंधेरे के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं है. These children are just like the garbage which is of no use. They looked very thin, that their bones are visible through their clothes. Some of them wear spectacles, but they look very cheap. They don't suit them. There is no importance of time and space because their world is completely dark. The map is of no importance for them as they won't understand the world which is shown to them through map. But the world in which they live, or the surroundings and the atmosphere in which they are living, is their only world for them. इन बच्चों को अगर हम मैप दिखाने की, दुनिया दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं और ये बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि दुनिया हमारी इतनी बड़ी है, तो इनके लिए ये बहुत मुश्किल है समझ पाना कि हमारी दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है, क्योंकि जब ये अपने आसपास में देखते हैं तो उनको बस उतना ही समझ में आता है और उनको यही लगता है कि हमारी दुनिया सिर्फ वही है और वो उसी को अपनी दुनिया मान लेते हैं. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs break, oh break, open till they break the town and show the children to give green fields and make their world run azure on gold sands, and their tongues run naked into books, the white and green leaves open history theirs whose language is the sun. According to this stanza, the poet is talking about or laying emphasis on all those people like governor, inspector and visitor who needs to visit them and try to show them the actual world and also make them understand that the world in which they are living was not a real one, but the world which they are throwing is coming is reality. They are living a life where they can never achieve the motive of their life. So let's those children move freely, see the world outside, talking with each other and going to school to get education. so they could achieve या change their lives. इस पोएम को पढ़ने के बाद पोएट इन बच्चों की एजुकेशन पर जोर दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये बच्चे हमारा फ्यूचर हैं। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बच्चा चाहे अमीर है या गरीब है, पढ़ाई का हक हर बच्चे को है। और लोगों की ज़िम्मेदारी बन जाती है कि उन्हें सिर्फ़ उन लोगों पर ही ध्यान नहीं देना है जिनके पास फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, बल्कि उन पर भी ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है जो आगे तो बढ़ना चाहते हैं लेकिन कोई सपोर्ट ना मिलने की वजह से पीछे रह जाते हैं। उनको हमें मोटिवेट करना चाहिए और आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए।